Hi, my name is Kristin Koury. I'm a personal chef. I cook for small catering parties and teach cooking lessons. Welcome to Pilot Light Family Meal. Today we're going to cook easy chicken enchiladas.
The ingredients you'll need include 2 cups of cooked shredded chicken, half a cup of sour cream or yogurt, 1.5 cups shredded cheese, 2 16-ounce jars of salsa. You could use red salsa, enchilada sauce, or tomatilla as I'm doing here. The toppings can range. I had tomatoes and green onions, so that's what I'm going to use. 8 large tortillas. Now these could be flour, corn, mixed grain, spinach, whatever you like. All right, let's get started. First thing, we want to preheat our oven to 350. Then pour about a quarter of a jar, let's say about a quarter of a cup to half a cup of salsa in the bottom of the 9x13 pan. Next, we're going to combine the shredded chicken, about a cup of salsa, a cup of cheese, and the sour cream. Mix that up in a large bowl till everything's incorporated. Then put a few spoonfuls of salsa onto the sheet tray. Put a tortilla on top of the sauce and wet the tortilla. Move it up and down. This makes it easier to roll. You may need to add more salsa as you go. Next, place a quarter cup of chicken on the tortilla and with your hands, spread it down the middle. Roll it and place in the pan. Repeat this process until all the chicken mix is used. Now, since they're all mixed and sitting snugly into our pan, top the tortillas with the remaining salsa and then sprinkle with the remainder of the cheese. Cover the tray with foil and put it in the oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the foil, then bake for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. Cheese should be bubbly. Then take it out of the oven and garnish it with whatever you have chosen. I chose the tomatoes and the green onions.
Thanks for joining me. Tag us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram at Pilot Light Chefs or hashtag PL Family Meal. Visit the Food Education Center and click on Family Resources for today's recipe, additional activities to do related to today's recipe, and for additional family lessons and videos. Thanks.
We want to know how you and your family are enjoying this recipe and making it together. So tag us. Find us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Pilot Light Chefs, hashtag PL Family Meal.